Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue of DISM not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc space / scan now and hit enter to invoke the sfc scan. Now why am I saying this? Because the sfc scan is an alternative to DISM scan, though not as good. Now, this is one thing. The other thing is that people are suggesting the DISM restore health command, which may not always work. So I have a better option. Just try a recovery. So search for recovery, open recovery, click on open system restore, click on next, choose a good restore point, click on next, finish, and then click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.